Wheat cultivation increased from 3.086 million to 3.879 million acres, while wheat production increased from 3.54 million tons to a highest ever 4.91 million tons in the province of Sindh. To further reduce production costs, the government allocated rupees 3 billion as fuel subsidy for small farmers holding up to 25 acres. Approximately 331,000 farmers benefited through transparent digital transfers, helping protect farm incomes and sustain agricultural activity. Honorable Speaker, the government also acted to shield citizens from rising fuel prices. Under the People's Motorcycle Fuel Subsidy Program, rupees 4 billion was released to provide direct support to motorcycle owners across Sindh. More than 660,000 beneficiaries have received assistance through a fully digital payment mechanism. Similarly, rupees 2.37 billion was released as fuel differential subsidy for public transport operators. This intervention helped maintain affordable fares and benefited millions of daily commuters throughout the province. Recognizing challenges faced by coastal communities, the government also provided rupees 515 million in fuel support for 2,819 registered small and medium fishing boats, helping sustain livelihoods and economic activity in the coastal district. Further, Sindh contributed rupees 807 million under the Pakistan Energy Relief Plan as a part of coordinated national effort to cushion citizens from rising transportation costs. Honorable Speaker, I now turn to the flagship achievements that have transformed communities, strengthened infrastructure, and laid the foundation for long-term prosperity across Sindh. These achievements represent communities restored, homes rebuilt, services expanded, jobs created, and opportunities unlocked for millions of citizens across Sindh. Sir, one of the most significant achievements of financial year 2025-26 was the government's ability to sustain development momentum despite challenging economic conditions. Sindh achieved, as I had mentioned earlier, the highest development expenditure in its history, with more than rupees 900 billion invested in development projects and public infrastructure across the province.